piece of plastic has a density, get my highlighter, density of 1.3 grams per centimetre cubed, and a volume of 100 centimetres cubed. Work out the mass. So we're going to use our triangle, and remember the little jingle is monkey victory dance. And figure out what we want. I want the mass, so I'm going to cover up the mass. So we've got the mass is what we want. The volume is 100 centimetres cubed. The density is 1.3 grams per centimetres cubed. I've already figured out by looking at the triangle and covering up what we want that I need to do V times D. So the mass is V times D. I'm just going to do it down here. So that's 100 centimetres cubed times 1.3 grams per centimetres cubed. So 100 times 1.3 is going to be 130 grams, because that's our units that we've been using, grams per centimetres cubed. The answer is 130 grams.